Welcome to JH. VIVARAVIDA Berberine HCI drops claim to be nature's answer to blood sugar and weight management, which sounds like something your aunt would post on Facebook right before trying to sell you essential oils. I've been looking into this yellow compound everyone is calling nature's metformin, and honestly, the research had me curious. Are these drops actually legit or just another overhyped supplement targeting people who want a miracle in a bottle? Here is what VIVARAVIDA actually is: a liposomal berberine supplement packed with 3,000 milligrams of berberine HCI plus 12 natural ingredients, including turmeric, Ceylon cinnamon, green tea, and bitter melon. It is designed as a liquid for better absorption because apparently, regular pills just aren't high-tech enough for our modern metabolisms. The company claims their liposomal formula improves bioavailability compared to regular berberine pills, which usually have the absorption rate of a brick. Now, let's be real about what berberine can and cannot do. The science behind it is actually solid. It activates AMPK, which is basically your body's metabolic master switch. Studies show it can lower blood sugar by up to 20% and improve insulin sensitivity. It is not magic. It won't turn your midnight pizza into a kale salad, but it works by helping your cells use glucose more efficiently and reducing production in your liver. What surprised me is that multiple studies show it is nearly as effective as metformin for blood sugar control. One study found that taking 1 gram daily reduced fasting blood sugar by 20%, which is genuinely impressive for a natural compound. The weight loss effects are more modest but real, with an average loss of 3 to 5 pounds over 12 weeks. So, don't go clearing out your closet for a whole new wardrobe just yet. VIVARAVIDA's specific formula adds Ceylon cinnamon and turmeric for synergistic effects. The liposomal delivery system is a smart move because regular berberine has a pathetic 5% absorption rate. The liquid format gets good reviews for taste and convenience, though taste good for a supplement is a pretty low bar to clear. Most users report taking it for several months before seeing any actual results. The biggest complaints I found are from people who expected to wake up as fitness models overnight, which is about as realistic as finding a unicorn in your backyard. Some users also report mild digestive upset initially, which is a charming way of saying your stomach might stage a brief protest. More importantly, berberine can interact with medications like insulin or blood thinners. This is not a casual supplement you just toss into your routine like a gummy vitamin. You need to talk to your doctor first. The safety profile looks good for healthy adults, as the drops are third-party tested and made in GMP facilities. However, berberine is not going to fix a terrible diet or replace proper medical care for diabetes. Think of it as a tool to optimize metabolic health, not a miracle cure for a lifestyle of sedentary snacking. It is best suited for people with prediabetes or metabolic syndrome who want science-backed natural support alongside diet and exercise. My honest take: VIVARAVIDA berberine isn't going to replace your medication or make you drop 20 pounds by Tuesday, but it might help your metabolic health if you are dealing with stubborn weight. The liposomal formula addresses the usual absorption problems, and the ingredient blend is well-researched. If you have realistic expectations and a doctor's blessing, it could be worth trying. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe. I break down the latest supplements every week so you don't have to. Check out our other reviews and let me know, is this a win or a hard pass for you? Drop a comment below.